Okay, so I recently purchased a USB powered soldering iron because I've been wanting to have a portable soldering iron since I have to do soldering jobs outside. Outside, yeah, outside. And yeah, so here's the package. It's, well, uh, a Aneng LT-001. So here's the package. We're going to open it. Okay, so comes with a USB cable and soldering iron. Here's the tip. And a stand, a small piece of stand. Okay, so we're going to test it and see if it will work. So the green light is for the maximum temperature setting, I think, because when I turned it to red, it weren't able to burn off the soldering, the soldering wire here, and but when I turned it to green, it was able to burn it off easily. As you can see, it's melting the solder pretty easily. So overall, I think it will be a useful tool for me as I will be working with soldering jobs outside of home, and I won't be able to bring this little guy with me outside, so that's why I purchased this. Overall, I'm satisfied. So if ever you plan to buy one, just get one yourself, and you won't regret it. Okay, so don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.